Kaleji mutton liver bathed in a luxuriant masala. Welcome once more to the heart of culinary indulgence, Burmawala kitchen. We start with a glorious 500 grams of fresh mutton liver. We shall bestow a lavish array of spices, 1 level tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vibrant Kashmiri red chili powder, a mere third of a tablespoon of the fiercer red chili powder, half a tablespoon of golden turmeric, and 3 tablespoons of the fragrant coriander-cumin blend, danya jeera. As if that weren't enough, we crown this mixture with 1 tablespoon each of garam masala, black pepper, and the intoxicating scent of cardamom powder. And of course, no dish of ours is complete without the garlic and ginger paste, a tablespoon each. Stir this enchanting concoction. Apologies for the video quality, the camera stand wasn't adjusted correctly. Now to the heat. In a pot, we pour forth a 1/4 cup of oil and, with a flourish, add 2 generous tablespoons of ghee. The stage is set on medium heat, and to this warm, shimmering pool, we introduce our regal dry spices: 7 green cardamom pods, 4 bold black cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and a few cloves to seal the deal. For 2 minutes, let them dance and sizzle until the very air is perfumed with their intoxicating scent. Next, we bring in our green warriors, 3 whole green chilies. Toss them in, and if you desire to raise the temperature, slice them open and release their fiery essence. 3 finely pulverized onions make their entrance. Cover the pot swiftly, lest they splatter in excitement, and stir them gently, coaxing them into a golden transformation. Halfway through, as they shimmer and soften, we invite 2 bay leaves to the mix, their presence adding depth and mystery to our dish. Watch closely, for the key here is patience. Cook until the onions have surrendered their water, leaving behind only their golden hue and the gleam of oil rising to the surface. This alchemy will take about 10 minutes. Now, the moment has come to introduce the star of our show, our spiced liver. Gently, yet with purpose, combine the liver with the golden onions, stirring with reverence as the masala wraps itself around each piece. Watch as the rich red hues of the masala deepen and darken, transforming the dish before your very eyes. And now, we bestow 2 cups of water, just enough to submerge the liver and bring harmony to this flavorful medley. 1 final stir and the magic begins. Raise the heat, bringing the pot to a gentle boil, then cover with a lid and turn down the flame to the lowest of simmers. For the next 90 minutes, let this Kaleji luxuriate in its own splendor, the liver tenderizing and the spices merging, their flavors intensifying with each passing moment. At last, after this careful and deliberate simmering, the moment of revelation has arrived. Behold, the rich and velvety Kaleji, bathed in a thick spice-laden gravy, each spoonful brimming with indulgence. But wait, our final flourish. A teaspoon of garam masala is stirred in for that final touch of warmth, and a glistening pour of ghee cascades over the top, elevating this dish to sheer opulence. And now to garnish. A flourish of fresh coriander, vibrant and green, and a few whole green chilies for those brave souls seeking an extra thrill. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, our Kaleji, ready to dazzle your senses. The aromas, the colors, the sheer decadence of this dish will leave your guests in awe. Serve it with warm naan or fragrant rice, and prepare to be showered with praise. Thank you for joining us in this grand culinary performance at Burmawala Kitchen.